ICT and online technologies have great potential to support your lifelong learning plans. As of 2018, almost all urban areas of Asia-Pacific have access to the internet. There are as many mobile connections as people in a region, and we use our devices almost everywhere for everything. Did you know that in the Philippines and Thailand, an average user spends more than 9 hours a day on devices and nearly 5 hours of that on their phone? How about you? What do you think the potential could be for us to use technology to support people with learning? In this unit, we'll look at what opportunities does ICT offer us as a tool to support learning? And how can the government make use of it to support learning for everyone? Along the way, we'll also look at some examples of how some providers are already using it to support learning and the wider community. There are many innovations in ICT for learning. We can see 3 key trends for the last 10 years. Online learning, for people to learn whatever, whenever, and wherever they want. Connecting people across places in collaboration and to people with shared interests. And personalizing content to enhance the usefulness and appropriateness of material. The first is online learning. When massive online open courses first began, they were designed to open up a select number of higher education courses to the public. Today, you can almost learn anything online, and more than 100 million of people around the world are already learning at global and local online platforms. Some platforms are supported by the government, such as KMOOC, JMOOC, and ThaiMOOC. Some platforms like Udemy allow anyone to create and post online courses. MOOC has been evolved for the last 5 years. In the past, the completion rate has been low. Now the contents became shorter, more skill-based, entertaining, and are gamified to motivate learners to complete the courses. Online contents are more blended into normal classes. Social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook also allow anyone to create and post their learning contents. Everyone can be a teacher. Secondly, technology offers us the unique possibility to connect with people across space in ways we never imagined. Connecting people online with similar interests and passion, they can learn or start new projects together. Today, online learning environments are evolving to be more collaborative. We would like to introduce 4 types of learning through connecting with people or collaboration. We can get connected at the specific online platforms such as music or hobby groups to share knowledge, contents, or ask questions. Data tells that 42% of Asia-Pacific are active social media users. Through social media, we can create networks on any topics and explore new opportunities to learn. We can easily find information from crowd knowledge through hashtags provided by internet users. Online social gathering allows people with similar interests and passion to connect online and be able to meet in person. For example, Meetup is a digital platform to organize online groups with something in common. They can meet, discuss, and start projects together in real life. With big data and artificial intelligence, learning can be personalized or customized easily. Using data that users volunteer, we can provide content that's more useful and relevant to their needs. In school education, adaptive learning has been popular. It allows learners to study based on their capacity and progresses. The system can personalize the contents, learning pace, and levels in order to leverage their strengths and minimize their weaknesses. Adaptive learning has been used by Khan Academy and Lexia. Apart from school education, Google, Amazon, YouTube, and Facebook also personalize the contents for you. They recommend website, books, and video contents based on your digital history and trends. Another example is lynda.com. It offers courses that are related with your LinkedIn data to give you personalized learning. You might also receive notifications from MOOC platforms that suggest the contents based on your past learning. There are also other innovations that could support learning. We live in a world where conversational bots can be trained by users with little to no coding knowledge, responding to learners' questions in real time. They can work as AI tutors, for example, RoboTutor, Listen, Xprize, and digital teachers. A world where VR or AR enables learners to learn in simulated environments such as medical operation, disaster preparedness, driving lessons, or visit special places and learn about history.